I got a real quick video for today on how to change your rear diff fluid. There's a bunch of videos that take forever and you gotta pull off the diff cover and stuff. You don't need to do that. All you need is a 14 mil hex, and that's all you need. Take your 14 mil hex, put it in the drain plug hole if it wants to go in. If it doesn't want to go in, that's great. You should be able to just pull it out. Now what I like to do to make sure I get out all the extra particulates that might be in there, just take random gear oil, kind of dump some of it in, and that should help flush out all the stuff in there that you don't want. So once it starts coming out clear, then you know that it's all cleaned out and you're good. Just gotta finish that draining and then put in the new stuff. Alright, so once you get all the drip stopped and it's all empty, just put some in there to hold it while you clean off your drain plug. And then you just hold this underneath and screw your drain plug back in. Take your 14 mil hex and just snug it back down. One mistake I see some people make: if they need to put in limited slip additive, they put it in last. You're going to want to put that in first. Put in your gear oil. You're going to want to fill that. Well, that's actually a little bit low, honestly. Generally you want it to be coming out the drain plug a little bit, or the fill port by a little. Take a little bit of brake clean and just as you can see, this definitely needed some replacing on. It's been like 60,000 miles anyway. Alright, that was the video. If it was helpful, comment down below. Also, I did bump up the recording resolution, so if it looks better than past videos, comment on that as well. See you next time.